Good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Tom.
What
Hi.
is it today?
What did I eat? Hmm? What?
What day is it today?
Oh, today is Saturday. So what day is it today? Yeah, it's Saturday.
Saturday.
It's Saturday. Yes, that's right. So did you go to school? Do you have school today?
Yeah. No, no,
No. No, I don't. No, I don't.
no, I don't.
Yeah, you don't have school on Saturdays. All right, so did you play?
What is?
Wow. Is it a capybara?
Yeah,
Purple?
yeah.
Purple capybara. So cute. It's so cute. All right. So what did you eat for breakfast, Tom? What did you eat? Hmm. Tom, what did you eat? Did you eat rice?
No.
What did you eat? Noodles?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah, noodles. You ate noodles. Hmm. And noodles and what did you drink?
Um, milk, lemon tea.
Lemonade?
Yeah.
Wow. Lemonade. That's very healthy. Lemonade is healthy. It's good. It's good. Right, Tom? All right, so now we're going to start our lesson. Can you see the book now, Tom? Can you see?
Huh?
Yes, can you see this?
Yeah.
All right, now we're going to learn about toys.
Ba.
Toys. Toys in Vietnam.
Toys in Vietnam.
Yeah, toys in Vietnam. All right,
Toys
so let's listen. Let's listen to the audio
to
first.
he.
You know Tuhi? Tuhi? Tuhi?
Yeah.
You know that? Tohi? Tohi?
To he.
Tuhi. All right. How about this one?
He.
What?
He.
Kite. It's a kite. Kite.
It's okay.
Yes, that's right. How about this one? What's this? Hmm. What's that, Tom?
Book. Book now.
What's this? This is board game. Board game.
Book.
Look, Tom. Board game.
Booty.
Board game. Game.
Booty.
Yes, that's right. And this one, what's this, Tom?
Dog.
Doll. Yes, it's a doll. All right, so
Dog.
Tom, do you have Tohi?
Yeah.
Tuhi? Do you have this? I think this is popular
Good.
in Vietnam. Tohi. Tuhi. Tuhi? Let me listen. Let's listen.
Ôi,
Tohei. Tohei.
Hi.
Tohei. Ah. All right. How about kite? Do you have a kite? Do you have a kite?
Yeah.
You do?
Then.
You do. Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Mm-hmm. Mhm. How about this one? What's that? Board game. Do you have a board game? Do you have a board game?
Yes.
Yes. What board game do you have? Hmm. What
Ooh,
board game do you have, Tom? What board game do you have?
yes.
What? Chess? Chess? Do you have chessboard? Do you have chessboard?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, I can. Ah, okay. It's a chessboard. All right. So Tom B.
Zombie.
Kite.
Car.
Game.
Kid.
Game. Kite. Kite.
Cat.
Game.
Game.
I have a board game.
I
I have a
game.
chess board. I have a chessboard.
Boy.
Chessboard.
Jet boy.
Yes, that's right. All right. And do you have a doll?
Yes.
Do you have a doll?
Yes. I shall. Ah, no, no.
No, I don't.
No, I don't.
How about your sister? How
No.
about how about your sister? Does she have a doll?
Oh, it is young.
No, she isn't. No, she isn't.
No, she young.
Y- Your sister doesn't have a doll? Does your sister have a doll? You said no?
No, no,
No, she doesn't have a doll.
no. No, I
She doesn't.
don't.
Your sister. All right, let's have this one. Listen, read, and point. What is it? Let's read, Tom. What is it?
What is it?
Tohei.
Toy is
It's a.
a toy for young children.
Is it a
It is
tiger?
a tiger.
Yes, it
Yes,
is.
it is. This is my cat. Night. Let's play.
Yes, good job. All right. Okay, very good. So, what is it? What is it? It's a.
It's a
Okay. It's a doll. All right, now we're going to learn about this one, walking in Switzerland. Can you say walking in Switzerland?
what can it do to laugh?
Switzerland. Swit.
A
Again,
whip
Tom.
to laugh.
Switzerland.
Whip to
Switzerland.
laugh.
Switzerland. Switzerland.
Your laugh.
Yes. All right. So let's read. Mountains. Mountain.
Mountain.
Jacket. Jacket.
Jacket. Jacket.
Boots.
Who?
Boots.
Who?
Backpack.
Backpack.
All right. So, Tom, what's this? What are these? These. What are these?
Like
Hmm? What are these?
master.
Mountains. Mountains.
Uh,
Mountains. And
what?
how about that one? What's that?
Jacket.
Jacket. Yes, that's right. All right. And how about this one? What are these? What are these?
Yeah.
Hmm. What are these, Tom? Hmm? What are they? B. B.
Papa.
No, boots. Boots. Boots.
Wood.
Tom, boots. Yes.
Wood.
Those are boots. Those are boots. Those are boots. And
Love.
what about this one? What's this?
Papa.
Backpack. Yes, that's right. Good job. All right. So now we're going to have this one. So we will listen first and then we will read. Okay? Let's
Yeah.
listen first, Tom.
Listening 106. Listen and read.
Hi, Grandma. I'm in Switzerland. I wear a jacket and boots. I have a backpack. The mountains are beautiful.
Mhm.
See you soon. Ed.
Mm-hmm. All right. So you read this one, Tom. Please read. Oh. Please read, Tom.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi. Hi, Grandma. I'm in Switzerland.
Switzerland. I'm in Switzerland.
I'm Antoine.
Mm-hmm. I wear a.
I wear and I have
I wear
uh,
a what? I wear a.
I
What's
wear
this?
and
No, I wear a jacket.
I wear a jacket
And 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 what? I wear
boots.
a jacket and boots.
Boots.
I have.
I have a backpack.
Yes, backpack. The blank,
Mountain.
the mountains are
Uh, bed to
beautiful.
beautiful.
See you soon.
See
See
you
you
soon
soon. Ed.
and
Ed. All right, good job. Okay, so now let's move on to Korea. Breakfast in Korea.
it, yeah, to
Breakfast
me.
in Korea. Can you say breakfast? Breakfast.
I took meat.
Yeah. Yes, egg, rice, soup, meat. Egg.
Egg yai took me.
Yes, egg,
Egg
rice, soup,
yai
meat.
took me.
Yeah, it's the breakfast in Korea. Breakfast in Korea.
Escalator in the car.
In Korea.
In Korea.
Yes. All right. So breakfast in Korea are
Yeah,
egg, egg,
egg yai
rice,
took meat.
and meat. All right. That's right, Tom. Okay. So what's this again, Tom? What's this?
Egg
Egg. That's right.
yai
And this one,
yai
rice. This one,
took
what's this? Soup. And this one,
meat.
meat. All right. Let's go back to the first one, Tom. Do you like eggs? Do you like eggs, Tom? Do you eat eggs? Do you like it? Do you like eggs?
Yes.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Do you like rice?
Yes, I do.
Do you like soup?
Yes, I do.
How about meat? Do you like meat?
Yes, I do.
You do. All right, me too. I like meat too. I like everything too. Okay. Listen, read, and point. Okay. So let's listen first.
Listening 108. Listen, read, and point.
For breakfast, I eat eggs, rice, and meat. I love soup too.
Mm-hmm. All right. So please read this one, Tom. For breakfast,
For dinner, I eat eggs, yolk, and meat. I love soup too.
all right, one more time. For breakfast, for breakfast, I eat
I
eggs,
eat eggs,
rice,
yolk,
and
and
meat.
meat.
I
I
love,
love soup.
I love, love,
I love it.
love. I love
I love
soup too.
soup too.
All right. So I'm going to ask you, Tom. Tom, what's that? What are these? What are these, Tom?
Egg.
What are these? Eggs. This one, what's this?
Yeah.
This one, what's this? This one? What's this?
Eat
Soup. Soup.
soup.
And this one, what's this?
Meat.
Meat. How about this one? What's this?
Lemonade.
Lemonade. Juice, right? Juice.
Two.
It's juice. Okay, good job, Tom. Very good. Let's move on to this one. Oh, so we're done. We finished with this one. We finished the book again. This is Family and Friends 2. We will move on to Family and Friends 4. Family and Friends. Oh no, Family and Friends 3. No, not that one. We will move on to Family and Friends 3 now. Oh no. Tom. Okay, so let's have this one, Tom. All right, let's read the names again. Tom, these are their names. Rosie. Rosie. Tim.
Tim. Baby.
Billy. Billy.
Lily.
Miss Jones.
Mitchell.
Yes, all right. So, okay, let's have this one. Let's watch the video. There's a video here, Tom.
My name's Rosie.
And my name's Tim.
Hello, class. My name's Miss Jones.
Oh, that's it. Okay, that's it, Tom. Let's read. Tom, let's read this one. My name's Rosie.
My name's Rosie.
And my name's Tim.
And my name's Tim.
Hello, class.
Hello, class.
My name's Miss Jones.
My name is Tom.
Miss Jones.
Mitchell.
Yes, all right. Okay, so let's have this one. Tom, hello, my name's Miss Jones. What's your name?
Hello, my name is Mitchell. What's your name? Hey, my
Hi. Hi.
name is
Billy. Billy.
Bailey.
My name's Billy.
My name Bailey.
Okay, so let's listen to this song, Tom. Okay, we will listen to the song. Ready now? to listen?
Yes.
So you will
Listening
sing.
3.
You will sing.
Listen and sing. Hello,
Listen.
hello.
Hello. Hello, hello.
Hello. Hello. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. I'm fine. Thank you. Hello. Hello. What's your name?
Say your
My
name.
name's
Tom. Tom. My name's Tom.
That's my name.
That's my name. Good job.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye to you. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye to you.
Good job. All right, so we're done with this one, Tom. So let's move on to this one. Okay? All right, so count. Let's read the words, the number words. Can you read? 1, 1,
1, 2,
mhm.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, good job. All right, Tom, how old are you?
1.
I'm 1. Oh,
I'm
no.
1.
How old is he? He's 1.
1.
He's 1. How old is he? He is 2. He is 2. How old is she? How old is she? She's
3, 3,
she's 3. Good job. How old? Oh.
4, 6, 5, 6, 6, 7, 6, 8, 9.
He's 10. He's 10. He's 10.
He said,
All right. Very good. All right. So how about you, Tom? How old are you, Tom? How old are you? How old are you, Tom? Tom, how old are you?
I'm Farouk.
Now, how old are you?
9.
You're 9. I'm 9.
I'm 9.
All right, so let's have this one, Tom. Sit down.
Sit down.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Open
Off
your book. Open your book.
your book.
Close your
Shut
book.
your book.
Don't talk.
Don't lock.
All right. Okay, what's this, Tom?
Sit down.
Sit down. This one?
Stand up.
Stand up. Good job. This one? Excuse me.
Off your book.
Open your book.
Open your book.
Yes, and this one?
Shut your book.
Close your book. Good job. And this one?
Don't talk.
Don't talk. Don't talk.
Don't talk.
Talk. Okay, very good. All right. So let's read the words here, Tom. Sit down, please. Sit down, please.
Sit down, please.
Don't talk, please. Don't talk, please.
Don't talk, please. Stand up, please.
Wait a minute.
And
Oh, where is it?
what?
Stand up, please.
Stand up, please.
Open your book, please.
Open your book, please.
Close your book, please.
Close your book, please.
All right. Sit down, please. Can you say, sit down, please?
Sit down, please.
Don't talk, please.
Don't talk, please.
Stand up, please.
Stand up, please.
Open your book, please.
Open your book, please.
Close your book, please.
Close your book, please.
Okay, good job. All right. So you need to do, to do what I say. Stand up, please.
Stand up, please.
Okay, good job. Sit down, please.
Sit down, please.
Don't talk, please.
Don't talk, please.
Okay. Open your book, please. Open your book,
Open your
please.
book, please.
Good job. Close your book, please. Close your book, please. Good job. Very good. And nothing else? Yes. Good job. Good job. All done, Tom. And now let's have the toys again. Doll. Doll.
Yeah.
Doll. You read. Read, Tom.
Dog. Bone. TV.
Teddy bear.
Teddy bear.
Car.
Dog.
All right. So you read, Tom. This is
This is.
your doll. This is your doll.
This is my dog.
Your doll.
Yana.
This is your doll.
This is a dog.
Your. Your.
Yo.
This is your doll.
Better. No.
Oh, again, this. This.
This
This.
is your dog.
And this is my ball.
Bone.
This is your teddy
This
bear.
can be no
No,
is
it's my bag. Look, Tim. Look, Tim.
Look here
Look,
my
Tim.
Timmy bear
Here's
in
my teddy bear. Here's my teddy bear.
my chest.
It's in my bag.
It's in my bag
And my car.
and my car.
Okay, good job. All right, can you read by yourself? One more time.
Yeah.
This
This is your dog
and
and
this
then is my phone.
mhm,
It is your teddy bear.
teddy bear.
Yeah.
Mhm,
No, in my bag.
mhm.
Look in here, my teddy bear.
Bear.
Bear. It in my bag and my car.
Car. And my car.
And
Car.
my car.
Good job. All right. So let's read this one. This is my bag.
This is my bag.
This is your doll.
This is your dog.
Your doll. Your doll.
Your dog.
Okay, this is my bag. This is your doll.
My bag.
All right, so I think we will continue our lesson on Wednesday. So, RAS Kids A done. So we're going. This is Family and Friends 3, page 11. Okay, and our class is on Wednesday, 29. Okay. All right, so that's the end of our lesson, Tom. See you again. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Give me a high five.
Bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye, Tom. See you next time.